So tonight we're going to be loading up dice. Yahtzee? We're going to be using Federal shot shell primers. We're going to be using a WAA-12 style wad. And I'm going to be using these shot holes right here. So let's dive down here and start making these things. Probably going to have to resize these dice to get them to fit inside of a shotgun shell. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so here we are. We've got our shot shells. Put these guys aside. And we've got our dice. As you can see right now, they don't really fit in there. It's just not going to work. So, luckily, we have the magic of sandpaper. So, let's get our sandpaper. What the fuck did I do with the sandpaper? Sandpaper! Alright, got our sandpaper. So what we're going to have to do is take the corners off of these guys, which is going to be lots and lots of fun. So let's get sandpapering. Almost. Almost. Almost there. Almost there. As you can see, centered away each one side, but we need to keep going just a little bit more. All right. Looks like a pretty good fit to me. I won't bore you guys with showing you me doing the rest of them, so I'll pause this. When I come back, I'll have all 4 done. Okay, finally done. And just to prove I'm not some crazy kid in a garage, made these exactly 18 millimeters. Or a little bit less. So, this part involves loading the shells. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take our wads, 4 of them, or 4 dice, or die, whatever you want to call them, and we're going to cut off the petals so we have the most amount of room inside the shotgun shell. So, get our knife out and just get it in there and all right, let's load them up. So we reprime, drop our powder, insert our wad, there we go. And because we're not using the shot, we don't need to put it in there. So we dump it in there just so we can dump it back out. So there's 1 done. And we'll do the rest. Alright. All shells loaded up and ready to go. Alright, so moment of truth. Take our shot shell, it's completely empty, and put our dice in there. Perfect. Perfect fit. All right, let's do the rest. Green one. Perfect. Another yellow one. Perfect. And the last green one. Perfect. All right, so let's close these guys up. Oh man, they even crimp well. Oh man, you would never be able to tell that these shotgun shells have dice inside of them. Which means I'm gonna have to label them, otherwise I will totally forget. Alright. 4 shotgun shells loaded up with dice. Let's go shoot them. So here we are at the range. Gonna shoot the dice shotgun shells. So we've got our 2 homemade shoot and see targets, and let's see how these guys perform. They're really, really light, so I'm not expecting too much, but should be pretty cool. All right, so we got one in there already. Let's give it a shot. It's got a little bit of a kind of a thump to it, but the same amount as like a lot of the other really light loads that we've shot. So let's do the rest of them. Surprisingly accurate at this close of a range. They're hitting right at point of aim. Huh. Well, I don't know where one of them went, but I only have 4, so let's go down and check them out, see what we did to the targets. All right, looks like we went straight through this cheap particle board target. Yeah, all the way through the particle board target, and looks like we hit and bounced off of the 2x4. So penetration wise, not very good at all, but they're dice. When you're loading up junky shotgun shells with random stuff, can't really expect much. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with your friends if you find it interesting. Till next time, we'll see you later.